Hi. Registering corrective actions against non-conformance is very easy. Go to Record RCCAPA. Select the date range to filter the non-conformance records. Against the non-conformance record, click on the Set Corrective Action Actual Date button. Select Actual Date of corrective action taken and click the button. Likewise, you can record the preventive action for the selected non-conformance. Once done, when you refresh, you can see the actual date of corrective action and advice on preventive action. Like that, you can also record the root cause. Once updated, click on the NC number. You can see all the details, including corrective action, preventive action and root cause.
Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.